So you're looking for a budget rotating laser for home or work use. We'll have a look at what RedBack Lasers has got on offer. We'll start with that basic 614, which is the entry level of the professional series electronic leveling lasers from RedBack Lasers. That unit, so to level it up, we simply power the button and the laser will electronically level itself. And then with the LR715 receiver, that'll pick up that laser beam, tell us whether we need to go up or down, and away we go. We can buy that by itself as the basic 614 or with the tripod and staff there. That seemed to have caught that. With the tripod and staff as a basic 614P as a package. From there, we've got the Auto 1. So the Auto 1 again comes in the soft bag. This is a pendulum leveling laser. To level this laser, we simply unlock the pendulum, power it on, and the laser's going to start rotating. We've got the LR710 receiver there that's going to pick up whether we need to go up or down or whether we're on level. And again, we can get that as the Auto 1, as it sits like that, or the Auto 1P, which is the package with the same tripod and staff. From there we go back to the RedBack and we've got the 509 kit. This is quite popular because everything comes in the hard case there. So we've got now the 2.4 metre staff that fits inside of that case. The indoor-outdoor tripod, which is adjustable in height on both the legs and in the throat there. Again, it's the same principles as the Auto 1 in that it's a pendulum leveling laser. We simply unlock the pendulum, power it on, and away we go. It comes with the same receiver as what the Auto 1's coming with. Both the 509 kit and the Auto 1 can operate on their side. We don't unlock the pendulum and now manual leveling in that vertical mode. We need to add the bracket with the Auto 1, which is in the bag there. So it will give us all those features. From there, finally, we've got, and we certainly sell a lot, the little basic manual leveling laser there, the M50322. So it comes with the tripod, the laser, your receiver, all in the carry case. It's a manual leveling laser now, so we adjust the adjuster wheels to get the spirit vials correct and turn it on by just rotating the speed control button. And then our receiver again is going to pick up our laser whether we need to go up or down. We can get that as an M50322S with the staff, but the staff does not fit inside of that case, but it gives us the full kit of the tripod, staff, laser, everything there. Anyway, look through the products below. You'll see all the videos on each of these products and all the features and benefits and what they offer to you. But you need to get a laser, you've got to get a RedBack.